여기 계시면 더 비싸요. 아, 그래요? 이게 저는 숙박사모님이 저는 키니까.
대신장사.
거기도 회전율을 높여야지.
몇시 이전엔 숙박선진 안 받고 그러니까. 야, 분위기가 그렇게 바뀌었군요.
게스트들이 많아서 안 그럴 줄 알았는데 뭐 거기도 전 처음 가보니까 모르고 갔는데 인가들이 있고 이런가 안에만 호텔이 있어요.
어디 청자 근처인가요?
네, 한참 해봤습니다. 8만 원 가격에 7만 원, 8만 원.
여기요? 비즈니스 호텔급이네.
So, colleague, if you're ready, let's start. But I not see two students. Maybe.
He has a meeting in his company in the morning. Ah, you put it this.
Yes, I do.
You have to spread it. 땅을 갖다 놓으라.
I bring it. Forgot. Okay, colleague, let's start. Yesterday, you obtained theoretical consideration about harmonization, non-harmonization, and right now let's consider some practical recommendation, how we can apply it in practice. You know, it is our typical attitude, typical format. First of all, we consider theory. Next, we consider practice, recommendation, and exercise. And today we will follow to this approach also. Right now, let's talk about
harmonization.
Harmonization. Right now, we will open example harmonization, non-harmonization for two important, for two real product. One product it is watch, CD. Next product it is toothpaste and toothbrushes. And we will illustrate how we can do it in practice. First of all, when you open presentation, let me say about main idea, harmonization, non-harmonization. Harmonization, non-harmonization we can consider as additional support mechanism for support of idea of ideality. Yeah? Because we will increase ideality if our technical system will improve important parameter ideality. Time, capability, reliability, time of application. You know, for every product it is important parameter, and necessarily think about practical mechanism how we can increase ideality via idea harmonization, non-harmonization.
이상성을 높이는 구체적인 메커니즘 중에 하나가 조화도를 높이는 방법이고, 조화도 높인다는 건 기술 시스템과 특히 타겟이나 슈퍼 시스템하고 더 맞게 한다는 거, 그리고 그 내부에서 서로 구성 요소끼리 높인다는 게 있습니다. 예를 들어서 심해 잠수 중에 유압 장치가 들어있는데 주변에 심해 고압의 액체가 있잖아요, 물이 있잖아요. 그래서 유압 시스템을 그 고압의 액체를 이용해서 이렇게 하도록 한다든가, 그것도 주변하고 더 조화롭게 가는.
Again, for keeping our brain approach and mechanism follow to idea harmonization or harmonization, we must remember about structure of resources and every important category of resources. And for every category of resources, we can think about harmonization or harmonization. In this diagram, you see, frankly speaking, every category, but for simplified, we insert only four important directions for harmonization and harmonization. A trivial example, how we can understand harmonization and harmonization. You can consider problem of umbrella, and you know typical problem of umbrella. If you obtain stress from window, you obtain broken canopy.
Wind.
if you obtain stress from wind, you can obtain broken of canopy. Yeah.
강풍이 불면 우산이 뒤집어져.
Typical situation, negative effect, harmful function, negative effect, necessary think how we can kill this negative effect via harmonization, non-harmonization. Necessary do harmonization between energy of wind and design of canopy. In this case, you can remember principle number 3, for example. By the way, who can refresh me? Content by principle number 3. What is the principle number 3?
뭐죠?
Please remember your education in level 1 course.
네? 아니죠, 아니죠. 국부적 품질, local quality.
Local quality. Who say local quality? Thank you. Local quality, yes, of course. Necessary think about some local quality in surface of canopy. And maybe you know solution, existing solution in matter. In this umbrella was created special local quality. Special local quality. If you see local quality, it is net, and it is next part of canopy, and wind can escape without some problem and not broken canopy. We create local quality and we create harmonization between parameter of wind and parameter hardness of canopy. And it is not only principle 3, it is using of porous materials. You can define it as net, you can define as porous materials. It is dynamization, right? Because it is dynamizated system. But main idea we do harmonization, non-harmonization.
파라솔 같은 거 보면 2층 우산으로 되고 중간 구멍 뚫린 거 있죠. 또는 프랭카드 구멍 뽕뽕 뚫어놨죠. 그러니까 바람이 너무 심하게 밀지 않도록.
And in this case, we think about harmonization between some fields and between some substance, right? Why not? It is main idea, and you can remember other examples about principle number 3, harmonization and harmonization. If you will draw text long time, you will obtain pain in finger. Necessary think about harmonization, non-harmonization between softness of finger and softness and hardness surface of body of pencil. And you see, we can do harmonization, non-harmonization via using of elastic materials. We can create local quality in body of pencil and solve this problem again.
아프다, 오래 써서 아프다, 뭐 불편하다 이런 거 하고 하모니제이션하고 되게 잘 맞습니다. 손에 말랑말랑한 손잡이를 한다든가 로컬 퀄리티가 너무 프린시플이 되게 잘 맞고 부분적인 일부분을 맞춰주는 거죠, 사람 손에.
By the way, important remark again, these two have application of two opposite categories, harmonization, non-harmonization. Yeah? Again, we meet two opposite categories, similar as in physical contradiction, similar as in principle number 9, preliminary anti-action, similar as in principle 13.
This one?
Huh?
This example?
No.
Here we go. Okay.
Let's consider important part. This part clear, right? Necessary think about harmonization, non-harmonization in space area, in surface area, and it is increasing or decreasing surface of contact. And you can remember our previous example with knife. Knife is false. Okay, you remember knife with several amount of holes, problem of moisture, problem of viscosity, problem of adhesion between some piece of materials. And again, we can solve this problem in substance and in space area. Harmonization.
In this case, harmonization or non-harmonization? Force.
In this case, it is non-harmonization. Yes, because our target obtain bad contact between small piece of food and surface of cloth.
칼이 무를 썼는데 무하고 잘 들어본다는 건 이미 조화도가 너무 높아서 불편하다는 거라서 구멍을 뚫는 거는 약간 반조화 쪽으로, 덜 조화 쪽으로.
방수방어랑 똑같은.
방수하고.
Necessary think about non-harmonization. Necessary decrease surface of contact. Let's consider practical application of this model for two real products. Open slide. This watch on. Previous. Next. Harmonization, non-harmonization. Important part, harmonization, non-harmonization. It is harmonization, non-harmonization between parameter of technical system and need of customers. It is important area because every product in market you can classify regarding to, for example, age of customer. It can be special product for children, it can be special product for teenagers, special product for maturity people, special product for old peoples. Necessary think about harmonization, non-harmonization, and in this case, we have some small overlapping with idea transfer to super system. Never mind, small overlapping it is not prohibited for classification systems. And next, as mechanism harmonization, non-harmonization, we can consider technical mimicry phenomena. Yesterday we began talk about it. What does mean technical mimicry phenomena? Technical mimicry phenomena it is situation when you create technical systems similar as other. It is similar as a phenomenon in biological area. And many times I mentioned about two parallel evolution of biological organism, evolution of technical organisms.
비기술 분야 중에서 생물학 분야에서도 흉내내기가 있죠. 보호색 뭐 이런 거 있잖아요.
And you see three pencils. Yeah. Similar as paper, similar as syringe, similar as umbrella. Why you can find this phenomena in market? There is very easy explanation. If you will became put in market your product from your small company, you will obtain big resistance. You will obtain big obstacles for your product because in every market there is big competition. Necessary think how I can modify my product and put my product in market. I small company, I don't have money. I don't have money to R&D for dramatically improve some parameters. But I have only my brain and my creativity thinking, and I can surprise to you. Yeah. And if I think about new product in market by chocolate, very easy obtain approach technical mimicry and prepare chocolate similar as coin. Oh, really? Not expensive, attractive, surprising function, and it was good invention. This company not spent money to R&D and immediately obtain feedback, positive feedback from market. It is the reason why it is profit, why it is attractive for manufacturing companies.
손쉽게 외양만 바꾸는 게 참 경제적입니다. 여자들이 화장하는 것도 사실은 실제 여자들이 화장해서 이쁘게 보이는 것도 사실은 같은 건데 제일 쉬운 방법 중 하나죠.
And you see application of mimicry phenomena and surprising function for watch. You see different design of watch. Next. You see different design of watch regarding to approach surprising function and mimicry phenomena. This watch use light, but it is looks like as Moresi.
모래시계처럼 위쪽이 밝았다가 시간이 지나면서 점점 아래쪽이 밝아져요.
Surprising function, we are using principle sorting. Yeah. In this case, commonly
이건 보통 식이고
rewarding. In this case, opposite rewarding.
반대면서 모양도 아마 뭐 휴지 거도 비슷하게
Stupid watch.
두 가지죠. 흉내 내기와 놀랍게 하게끔 색깔이. 이건 흉내 내기는 아니고 그냥 서프라이징 펑션 몰라.
Different design.
몇시 몇 분입니까?
By the way,
8시 40분.
there is more 100,000 patent about watch, about design of watch.
10만 개 이상의 특허가 시계에 대해서 있어요.
Very old technical system, very big competitor, and it is the reason why you can find in watch area this kind of. Okay, let's open product toothbrushes and toothpaste.
완성도가 높아지면 하모니제이션으로 간다는 건가요? 새로운 방식으로?
그러니까 더 이상 차별화할 게 많이 없고 나올 게 다 나오면 손쉽게 외양만 그러니까 뭐랄까 너무 단순히 오래된 게 아니라 소비자가 선택하려고 보면 제품이 어느 회사 어느 제품이 엄청나게 많이 있어요. 눈길을 받기가 어려워요. 그럼 튀어서 눈길을 받도록 하기 위한
마지막 수단이.
예, 마지막이라기보다 마지막 쪽에 많이 쓰이는 것 중에 하나죠. 슈퍼 트랜지션 투 슈퍼 시스템도 그렇고 마챔도 사실은 적게 바뀌는 게 아니라 많이 바뀌는 거죠. 메커니즘이 바뀌면 구조가 엄청 바뀌기 때문에 새로운 S 곡선이 메카니컬이 끝나면 어쿠스틱이 시작된다고 보는 거 같아요. 그것도 마지막에 좀 가까운 거죠.
근데 그 흉내내기의 사례로 들어주신 여러 가지들을 보면 하모니제이션이라고 제 머릿속에 들어있는 컨셉하고는 좀 다른 것 같은
하모니제이션의 마지막 카테고리가 니즈라는 게 있죠. 그러니까 슈퍼 시스템에 맞춰주는 게 슈퍼 시스템 중에는 소비자의 뇌가 있어요. 사람이라는 건 호기심이 많고 그냥 별 관심 없이 아무리 제품 좋다고 줘도 관심 없어요. 재밌으면 어이 이거 뭐야 막 이야기해주고 그 사람의 특수한 니즈에 맞췄다.
특수한 니즈에 좋아.
Let's consider a pairing of this phenomena for toothbrushes. Harmonization in substance level. You know, feeling of freshness after application toothpaste. Freshness. We can obtain this freshness via insert in toothpaste freon. Freon it is substance from our refrigerator. Freon evaporate very fast and create illusion of freshness. We obtain harmonization for customer during application of toothpaste, or harmonization for shape of toothpaste. You know, typical problem for toothbrushes after application necessary wash and spend several times. But we can accelerate this process if we create big hole and we can do harmonization between resources, jet of water and surface of toothbrushes for accelerate process of washing, cleaning after application. Harmonization, non-harmonization in structure of brushes. Different angle can accelerate and increase quality cleaning of tooth. Harmonization, non-harmonization between palm and shape of handle for toothbrushes. That's the way I have this toothbrushes. It is for children. Yeah. Small palm, and for children it can be attractive. Inserting of surprising function. And you see toothbrushes with phenomena of optugi. You know, the people, the children don't like clean tooth, and necessarily think some new solution for increase attractiveness for children. Or for example, harmonization product for children. You know, small baby can swallow toothpaste randomly. Necessary to harmonization. Product harmonization between features of product and customer, small baby. And according to this problem was invented special toothpaste, edible toothpaste. And it is edible toothpaste for small baby. With very nice smell. If baby swallow a small piece of this toothpaste, no problem. Next, you can see toothpaste with 4 color. It is only for increasing. It was due only for increasing attractiveness. Children can consider toothpaste, very interesting toothpaste, 4 color, surprising function. Or if I will deliver it in toothbrushes, it is interesting process. Again, it is harmonization for increased level of attractiveness for product for special category of customers. Via this approach, mimicry, surprising function, we had a special methodology. Approximately 7 years ago, I had big amount of project with marketers, with marketers company. And in Tese was created a special methodology for very fast calculate idea of product with surprising function. During one day we can calculate approximately 100 different ideas. We can calculate it is via special diagrams. It is our typical approach, using of special diagrams for calculating. So I think enough talk about description, what is mean harmonization, non-harmonization. Let's do exercise. Final exercise for insert in your brain skills, recognize harmonization, non-harmonization in every product, in environment. It is very important component. It is very important component. Oh, very good. We have for this every student that will obtain things. Okay.
분수가 적으니까 인당 과제 수는 더 많아집니다.
You must think. It is harmonization or not harmonization. What kind category? And you see what kind category. For you, for you, for you, for you, for you.
이 칫솔 같은 경우도 모양을 바꿔서 조화도를 높인 건데 이게 애들 손이 작으니까 당연히 애들 칫솔 손잡이도 작아야면 되겠지 이 정도로 예전에 생각했었는데 자세히 보니까 애들은 칫솔
You can do for example. Okay.
사람은 어른은 칫솔 잡을 때 뭐 이렇게 하잖아요. 애들은 이렇게 잡아요. 잘 관찰하면 이건 아이디어인가? 거기 그래서 관찰이라는 방법을 통해서 그 사람들은 이제 제품을 혁신하는데 커야 된다 오히려 이렇게 잡으니까 그리고 잡는 힘이 약하니까 엄지손가락 끼는 구멍까지 해주고
Since a few minutes this will consider together what you are doing.
잠깐 시간 들고 그게 4가지 카테고리 중에 어떤가 모양을 바꿔서 조화도를 높인 건가 물질을 바꿔서 했나 아니면 시간 또는 필드를 바꿔서 했나 아니면 특수한 니즈에 맞춰서 했나 사실은 자원의 5가지 카테고리가 있잖아요. 시간, 공간, 물질, 장, 정보 중에 니즈만 하게 됐지 그게 다 들어있다고 보는 거예요. Fluorine. I understand why they use fluorine. It is substance.
Yeah.
But do you think every invention which changes substance is harmonization, exactly.
Yes, it is very raw.
Yes, raw. Too broad term is not very useful. Every invention which change substance harmonization.
Not every, because necessary define.
How can you relate explanation, harmonization? Purely, why is it harmonization?
Because I increase attractiveness application of those taste. I insert new function.
Yeah. 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 Mm. 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 알겠습니다. 보셨나요? Maybe enough time.
1 minute. Yeah, I see. One student not finished. Ready? Yeah. Open. Who has this example? What do you think about harmonization?
I don't have no idea.
No idea?
What kind of benefit, additional benefit it has.
You not see benefit?
Yeah.
저게 없다고 생각해 보세요. 뭘로
Let's
만들-
remember experience
Ah.
boiled eggs. Yeah, you insert eggs in vessel. Yeah, after application, necessary use maybe spoon, maybe some spoon for
Yeah,
extract.
but
It is small convenience,
Uh.
right? You spend long time, you spend big energy. But you can solve this problem via harmonization between special shape from spoon, and you can dramatically accelerate and simplify process extracting. Your eggs boil it, you extract it, insert in the water, and spend only 1 second for
냄비의 모양하고 주걱의 모양을 일종의 조화롭게 했다고도 볼 수 있고요.
I just understand.
Oh, okay. Sorry, maybe it was not clear picture. Okay, next.
It's form.
구분으로 하면, 종류로 하면,
Form.
네, 폼은 스페이스,
Shape.
공간으로
We change, we
분류를
modify
흥미를 말하면 공간과
shape.
물질이 같이 섞인 게 모양인데 공간으로 유리박성주로 분류.
Modify shape.
And also, I am a little bit surprised.
Yeah. And you also, yes, important remark about surprising function, because very often there is situation. One customer think, oh, it is surprising function. Other customers think, not surprising function. Surprising function, really, it is subjective category. But because for one guys it is surprising, for other guys it is not surprising. Very often situation. But never mind about it. It is not big problem. Next.
And it can be also interpreted as substance because it's thermally insulating substance.
Yes, because it is because my target prevent my finger from warm energy.
하나의 발명은 여러 가지 관점에서의 개선이 종합된 거기 때문에 재료를 뭘로 쓸까라는 점에서 고민을 많이. 근데 이건 딱 보면 모양이 제일 1등이고 재료를 뭐 재료를 하는 건 당연한 거고. The most special part of this invention is shape.
Yeah. Example, okay, how we can define it.
제 생각에는 비를 잘 꿰겠다라는 니즈에서 출발을 했고 처음엔 폼이라고 생각을 했는데 탄성이라는 서브스턴스의 최적
Typical using resources of substance use elastic material for increase hole and simplify process and short thread.
영어를 좀 섞어서 쓰시니까 통역을 할 필요가 없네요.
Okay.
Substance also.
And substance also, right? I agree with you. Yeah. Who has this example? Okay.
Home.
Shape, yes, of course.
Yeah,
yes.
shape. And also we can use corner.
What
We can use corner. Not
corner.
word, the flat word. 그래서 니즈도 있는 것 같아요.
And these also.
Needs, yes.
Fitting.
Needs, because anyway, it is. I think it is surprising function, right? What do you think? Strange design of picture.
놀랍지 않으십니까?
그렇죠.
놀랍다는 건 사실 주관적입니다. 자기가 놀라우면 서프라이징 펑션이 있다고 말씀하시면 되고 놀랍지 않으시면 없다고 말씀하시면 되고요.
Not ordinary.
니즈를 너무 포괄적으로
not
해석하는 것은
traditional
사실은 저는 썩 그렇게 바람직하다고 보지 않습니다. 왜냐하면 모든 발명은 다 니즈를 만족시키기 위한 거라서 그렇게 따지면 안 속하는 게 없기 때문에 니즈 중에 좀 특수한 거 그리고 하모니제이션은 전반적으로 주변 환경하고 잘 맞게 하는 그런 종류의 니즈 또는 끼리끼리 부품 입장에서는 또 부품의 주변 환경은 다른 부품이 있으니까 부품들끼리 잘 맞게 어쨌거나 잘 맞게 잘 맞춰서 바뀌는 게 서프라이징 펑션이고 네.
Next. Where is this? Okay. Space, yes, of course. Frankly speaking, surprising function also, right? Strange, non-trivial design. If you will eat first time, you can think, oh, very interesting product, I need buy it. Because surprising function, it is special impact to customer for purchase product. Yeah? You will purchase this product only one time, but for market it is enough.
설명을 잘 하시려면 어느 정도 그 동심을 유지하시는 게 좀 필요합니다. 아, 놀랍지 않습니까? 이렇게. 그 고속도로 휴게소 가시면 맨날 그 봉고차로 가시거든요. 이분들은 새로운 만물상 같은 거 있잖아요. 새로운 거 없나 재밌는 거 없나 하면서 되게 재밌어 하시고.
By the way, you remember my gift from Kiev for you? Yeah, small piece of samgyeopsal, artificial samgyeopsal.
Yeah.
Who has this example again?
공간을 바꾸고 위치를 바꾸고 바닥에 있던 게 무릎으로 올라온 거. 기능으로만.
Form and position also because normally it was on the floor, but it moved up to.
No, frankly speaking, yes. Next. Who has this example?
이건 니즈를 바꾼 거 아니에요?
예, 서프라이징 펑션 니즈 중에서 이제 저희는 주로 서프라이징 펑션을 다루니까 모양도 바꿨죠.
Yeah. Shape also. Who has this?
이건 스페이스만.
Space. Yes. Using of space because you can dramatically decrease amount of free space and it will be good. You can do dancing or
놀랍지 않으십니까?
exercise. Yeah.
신기하잖아요, 딱 보면.
Who has this example? Okay.
I think surprising function and mimicry like a tree and
Oh,
also
really?
space.
Really.
항상
You,
이거
yes, of course. And frankly speaking, it is the resources of space also because you
모양을
decrease location of storage of food also. Right? You have this example?
First is decrease space and surface.
Yeah, but let's consider process inserting of plug. When you insert traditional plug, necessarily use big power, and in this case you can obtain pain. Yeah. Obtain pain. What is mean? What reason of pain? Danger mechanical field. For danger mechanical field, necessary do block. Yeah. How we can do block? We can modify design. We can increase surface of contact between finger and kill pain. Right? Okay. Next.
네, 손에 압력이 집중되니까 그걸 덜어준다는 측면에서
두 가지를 넣은 거네요. 보관을 하는 거고 빼는 거고.
Okay, who has this example? Okay, how we can define it? Interpretate.
First is need.
Need.
First
Yes.
is need, and
Next.
next is shape, form.
Shape. Yes. What yet?
So
Let's imagine situation. It is cold winter season. Yeah. Mother hold your baby, and baby have additional warmth from mother. Yeah, because we have one object, two gloves together. We can define it as field also, because children obtain some additional warm energy from mother. Okay, next.
네, 모양도 있고요. 체온을 나눠주고 뭐 그런 게 있어요. 필드도 있어요.
Okay. Correct. Commonly we say, oh, we finished education of some topic. Really, impossible to remember 215 examples. You obtained during 2 days 215 examples. Very difficult to memorize 215 examples. But there is only one way for blindly use this category, for efficiency use this metrics. Please return in your company. And please create your personal database, first of all, about 40 principles. Next, about every trans. Believe me, in your job, in your company, you will find every case, every situation. And it will be database about your examples. When you will remember your examples, you will automatically remember correct example when you became solved your current problem. It is similar as mathematics, similar as music. Yesterday I had question to my student. Difficult. Oh, difficult. Oh, sorry, mathematics is difficult. Education English is difficult. Music is difficult. Every discipline is difficult if you only became study this discipline. Later, step by step, you will increase amount of your personal example for every case, for 40 principles, for transfer of engineering system of evaluation. And believe me, every matrix can dramatically accelerate process of calculation of ideas during execution of your projects. Okay, let's go to next important topic. We must begin consider function analysis, right?
No, after break.
No, after
If
break,
you're a
so
couple
Kim became to do education about function analysis, and step by step we will do exercises. Okay, let's go to break.
네. 잠깐만 쉬셨다가 그러니까 저기 벤치마킹을 하다가 테제로 잠깐 빠졌습니다. 테제를 하는 목적 그래서